Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products out there to make your shopping decisions easier. Today, we are talking about the best Revlon Brown Black hair color, the Revlon Colorsilk Haircolor Black, which comes in a convenient pack of 3. If you're looking for a trusted hair color brand that promises long-lasting, natural-looking color, this could be the perfect product for you. Revlon Colorsilk is a permanent hair dye that gives 100% gray coverage, making it ideal for anyone looking to cover up those stubborn grays while achieving a rich, multi-dimensional color. What sets this product apart is its ammonia-free formula, which ensures that your hair not only looks great but stays healthy too. The color gel technology helps create natural, salon-quality results that shine, leaving your hair softer and in better condition. This pack of 3 ensures that you have enough to keep your hair looking fresh for a while, and its easy-to-use application makes it perfect for at-home use. Whether you have natural, color-treated, or even permed hair, Revlon Colorsilk works wonders, and its rich black shade is a timeless choice for anyone looking to enhance their hair color. It's perfect for anyone on a budget, giving you salon-like results at a fraction of the cost. The product comes with clear instructions, and you also get a post-color conditioner that leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft, making it a complete hair color kit. Not only does it cover grays beautifully, but it also enhances the shine of your hair, giving you a vibrant and healthy look. Plus, it's easy to apply, even for first-timers. So if you're in the market for a reliable, long-lasting black hair color, the Revlon Colorsilk Haircolor in black might just be what you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews right here on Product Critique.